Ito na po yung result. Ayan, while nag-ano tayo, i-close na natin, boss, ha. Manually po ito na trade. Hi, good morning everyone. Once again, this is Coach Sam and ito po mga boss, gumawa tayo ng atin pong analysis. Ngayong araw na to, sabi natin kanina mga boss, ito yun, no? Na magbabay tayo because of the trend line. Isang rason, boss, ha, trend line. And then kay gold to, nasa 1 hour time frame. And then at the same time, nakahanap tayo ng fair value gap. Ayan. So bali kung inyo pong nakita ang fair value gap na yan, meron pong tatlong candle, and then nakita natin na possible si market is tataas, at saka na-send na natin to sa atin pong VIP group. And then ito ding area na to, boss, is the break of structure, nabasag na, and then meron ng bullish sentiment, and then dito din meron ng strong support. Ayan, so bali kung i-open natin ang atin pong VIP group. Okay, ayan po sa MiFix Trading Academy. Nagsabi tayo dito, today always look for buying on gold. Update your result after you've trade on today's signal. Enjoy. So after na nag-trade tayo, ito po result ng atin pong di ba? Makita nyo dito, boss, nag-send ako ng anong oras ba? It's oras is 9:38, di ba? 9:38 in the morning. And then ito na, clear na po ang explanation dito eh. Today, all the indications of our TE is bullish. Look for buying position until 4 o'clock this afternoon. And then pwede natin gamitin ang strategy na support and resistance. And then you are only to spot the support. And you can use liquidity and candle pattern to confirm. And also pull back on lower time frame. Ayan na, nilagay ko na yung aking number, boss, ha, if you want more signal like this one. And kung gusto nyo po maka-join sa Telegram channel group natin, ipipaste ko po ang number natin or ang link natin dito sa baba. Ipakita ko to, ha, this is just a short video ngayong umaga. And then here's the clear outlook sa 5 minutes time frame. Ayan, no? So clear po sa 5 minutes time frame with all the technical analysis. You will be guided pag nasa VIP group po kayo. Ito na result using the sentiment strategy. Nakita nyo, boss, ayan, bullish lahat from each one. It's for day 1, week 1, month, at saka in 15. So nag-trade tayo. Ito po result. First trade. Second result natin, boss, open lang natin, ha. Second result natin sa atin pong signal kanina, ito po yung second ang second result natin. Okay, ito na kasi nag-post na ako dito sa group chat. Ito na, boss, ipipaste ko na lang at saka i-add ko ang video sa yung pag-trade natin. So if you want to know more on forex trading, boss, do not forget link nasa baba. Join na po sa atin pong Telegram channel para sabay-sabay po tayo. This is Coach Sam from MiFix Trading Academy. We'll see you. See ya inside.